A surveillance system is a key ingredient in any retail business, as there are many areas to cover from a security and safety standpoint. It can also work as an effective store optimization tool, giving an altogether different view on the return on investment of a system. Let us show you some of the benefits that you can gain from using Axis products cross-functionally. The entrance is an area where we can already benefit from cross-functional use of network video. Aside from monitoring for safety and security, we can also use the surveillance system for other analytics like people counting, giving us insight into peak traffic hours in the store. All the camera feeds within a retail store provide valuable information about its daily operations. The multitude of information available opens up for a number of options for adding value. Analyzing all camera feeds can, for instance, generate heat maps from customer behavior, giving insight into their movement patterns and showing their path to purchase. Comparing heat maps before and after changes have been made can reveal if you get the desired outcome of your efforts. With different types of store metrics, you can even see which product the customer has selected, giving you even more knowledge of the success of your store layout. Daily deliveries can be a challenge, as personnel might be busy attending to customer needs. With the Axis Network Video Door Station, store personnel can remotely allow access into the storage room. The benefits of a camera-based solution are both security and the fact that it eases daily operations. Again, cross-functional usage adds benefits as well as security. Point-of-sale integration is a valuable use of a camera-based solution, with effective monitoring of these areas for fraud detection and similar threats. And at the same time, it can be used for queue management and analytics. Axis product range delivers high-quality video streams to catch every little detail in these sensitive areas. Integration of network cameras with the electronic article surveillance system is a powerful addition to retail security, with the gathering of relevant information just when an incident occurs. An incident can trigger a recording with increased frame rate and simultaneously alert security personnel via multiple platforms, giving a most effective security response. Axis Retail Solutions are focused on bringing safety and security to your store and further add value with multiple options to help you improve your merchandising and everyday operations. Join the ever-growing list of satisfied Axis customers.